colors? Well, RGB colors, RGB colors. RGB. What do they stand for? R stands for red. G stands for green. While B stands for blue. These are their colors. Red, green, and blue. Which is right here. So, what will happen if you mix up? If you mix up red with blue. Well, it might equal purple, which is like this. Which is like this. It equals to this mixed up reddish color. Maybe I might need to add a little red. Might not work. But if you really see it up with paint, then you could see. Now, I think I'm gonna use this brush. Now mixed up with some blue. Now you can see it looks like a little bit purplish, pinkish. So, that's what they equal to. Good. So that's what they are for. Okay. So now we know what RGB is, but let's say that, why do we need RGB? Okay, now I will write a little bit of some code right now, like this. Okay, starting like this. Color. So color. In fact, I think I'm gonna erase this. Okay, and good. So right now, I will use my, I'll put some code, and I'll show you why do we need RGB. So I'll use color. Yes, using color. And color, I will prefer the color to be grassy green or sky blue. Okay, so over here, I'll just put sky blue. Sky blue. Good, so sky blue. And I also should forget the semicolon. I'll just put the semicolon right here because I don't have enough space. So now, when I entered this thing in, it said, I do not know what sky blue is. Okay, now I will use in a simpler way. Why does it not know what sky blue is? Does it only know what blue, green, red, yellow, pink, purple, all that? Well, there is a way to make sky blue for you. You use the RGB. R, G, and B. Then you enter these brackets, and I wanted to make sky blue. Yes, perfectly sky blue. So right here, sky. Okay, the next thing to do, inside here, you need to put in the code, the RGB. So the RGB is red, green, and blue. So I wanted to make sky blue. That means we might need a lot of blue and a lot of red, not at all green. So, which means it'll be 255. That is the highest it can be. 2, 5, and then comma space. Till then, I'll just might need to erase the semicolon. 5, 5. The next one is 0, because that's the lowest it can be. Comma space, and then 255 again, because that's the highest it can be. The next thing you need to close it, your brackets, and add a semicolon. Okay, good. So that's how you use RGB in coding. On today's episode, I will do challenge colorful creature. Pick a creature. That's how you make a web page about an awesome animal and color the web page to look like it. For this first step, use the image picker to add an image to the page that shows the animal, then fill in the paragraph with information about it. Wow. Now, I will put my creature right there. Maybe I'll change the width a little bit bigger. Good. Can you strong and EM text to describe what animal it is and why it's awesome? Okay, I'll say Hopper is awesome because why? Well, he is awesome because right here I wrote Hopper is awesome because Hopper is a beaver and beavers are cool because they build dams. I'm a little bit fast. Alright. Okay, good. Add a style tag. Now we want to add some CSS, but there's no style tag in this page yet. Add one inside the head, just below the title tag, which is right here. Style. It should be inside the head tag. The style tag should be inside our head tag, which means we will just put it there. Good. Match the background. So we want the background. So the background, let's make the background to be like right here. Right here, I'll put body. And then inside here, I'll put ground dash color. And then let's make it an RGB color. So then we will put that. And I don't really like it to be that color. So I think I'll make it like about blue. Well, this is not really the kind of blue. I like cyan blue. Yes, that's perfect. Cyan blue. Match the text color. Like we don't want it just to be boring black, so we could change the P. And inside here, well, we want it to be the color. So right here, okay, what I'll put right here is color. And then over here, after color, now right here, I'll put RGB, then this, and then I don't really want it to be the same as the background, so let's make it a little bit, you know, little fancy, like green. That's a little, well, it's a little blending in, so I guess we could put dark green or pink. called magenta. Okay. That does not really look like magenta. So if I maybe put it like this. Change all this part. Or maybe I like it like that. Yeah, I like it. The next thing, match the header. The heading color. So which means right here, I will put the matching heading color. Okay. I'll put H1. Good. Now inside here, color. Now this time I'll again use the RGB color, which is the image color picker, which is, yeah, pretty useful to use. Okay, 205. So now it is RGB, which is a color picker. Now what I pick it to be is blue. Yeah, perfectly blue. Or I could do it like this. I could change this part and, you know, just do it right here. Now it's able to be working. Now right here, I think it's perfectly. So you completed the challenge, Colorful Creature. So if you look at your artwork, you'll say, wow. So now I think I'm gonna change this thing, a little bit better, like this. So I will scroll down, click here, pick a file. Now I'll go to holiday. What I will pick right now is Hopper Partying, because it sounds like a great time to party. So now Hopper looks a bit too big. Like if we do it like that, it's covering Hopper's feet, which we do not like. So I'll just busy change it a little. That looks perfect. So you completed the challenge, Colorful Creature. So if you look at your artwork, you'll say, wow. So now I think I'm gonna change Colorful Creature